When you are born again, you receive the fullness of the Holy Spirit's power, nothing lacking. You do not receive a portion of the Holy Spirit. The infinite cannot be divided into portions. He does not come to dwell in you halfway. He comes to dwell in you in the fullness of his power. The same Holy Spirit who hovered above the face of the deep as the Father spoke the commands over the darkness, causing all creation to come into existence. The same Holy Spirit who in the book of Exodus inspired the craftsmen to create the various items for the tabernacle, giving them excellence in their work. The same Holy Spirit who helped Joseph to interpret dreams. The same Holy Spirit who inspired within the soul of David poetic stanzas of worship. The same Holy Spirit who spoke oracles to the prophets concerning the Christ. The same Holy Spirit who gave wisdom to Solomon. The same Holy Spirit who was in the whirlwind which redirected Jonah back into his calling. The same Holy Spirit who was the man of fire who lifted Ezekiel above the ground. It is the same Holy Spirit who lived upon the disciples. The same Holy Spirit who descended upon Jesus like a dove. The same Holy Spirit who worked in the early church. The same Spirit who raised Christ from the dead dwells in you.